Hi, I'm Mama Fontana and welcome to my kitchen. It's Christmas Eve. Today we're doing breakfast casserole. All right, for Christmas Eve, it's one of those things everybody likes to have breakfast first thing in the morning. You get up, you open your presents. It's so exciting. Kids are bouncing off the walls, so you gotta have something for them to eat, because if you don't, all they're doing is eating the stuff out of their stocking. So we're gonna make the easiest breakfast casserole you have ever made. Starting with potatoes O'Brien. So these are great hash browns. You can use regular hash browns if you don't like the onions and peppers, and you can use those if you want to put in your own onions and peppers, but this is just a quick, easy way. So you're gonna just use one package of these. You can see all the little red onions, or red peppers, green peppers, and some onions in there. And then whenever I cook breakfast meats, it seems like there's always a few over. So I put them in the freezer. They are reusable as long as you put them in the freezer. Hi Juno, hello. We are gonna want a piece of bacon? Here you go. So we're gonna use a little bit of bacon that I had left over and chopped up. So we're gonna make a little layer of bacon. No, that's enough for you, little missy. And then the same with the sausage. I had maple sausage that I had made a couple weeks ago, and we had some left over, so I put it in here knowing that I was gonna wanna make a breakfast casserole. And then you always have it. And the good thing about bacon, if you put bacon in there, you come home from work and you don't want to cook, grab the bacon out, let it defrost a little bit, and you can make a BLT. Dinner is served. Here, you got a piece of sausage too. All right, so there's your two breakfast meats. And then we're gonna put cheese on top of that. I use Monterey Jack all the time because it's just a really good combination here. You can use as much or as little as you like. I might put a little bit on top of that in a minute. Okay, then I have got a dozen eggs here that I've just kind of beaten up. I'm gonna put a little bit of salt and pepper in here just so we have a little bit of seasoning. And guys, this is really all there is to it. Oh, there's the oven, it's ready. So we're gonna put the salt and pepper, get it beat in here. And then we're gonna pour this on top of this, just kind of evenly. If you do it quickly, you gotta be careful because it's gonna run out. So you kind of gotta pour it a little bit slow. Make sure you get over to the edges. And then it's gonna soak down there, especially when you're baking it. And it almost looks quiche-like. If you like quiches, then you're gonna love this. And that is seriously all there is to it. So we're gonna be back in about 30 to 45. You're gonna see that this will be all beautiful and fluffy, and it's gonna taste great, be great for your Christmas morning. So here we go, see you in about 30 to 45. Okay, we're back. And here is the breakfast casserole. Look at that, all cheesy and gooey and eggy. Turned out really, really good. So I'm gonna take a little taste here. So here's some sausage and some egg. Super hot. Look at that cheese, oh my goodness sakes. All right. It's really hot, I'm scared to bite it. Also, a thing that we make on Christmas morning, not just to have the breakfast, we do orange Julius's. And we have been actually making that for many, many years now on Christmas morning. And if you wanted to, you can do them regular, or if you want to have a little kick, you could do a little champagne and make it a orange Julius mimosa or a screwdriver orange Julius, whatever floats your boat. So anyway, that's all this took. It didn't take any time at all to put together. You bake it, it's delicious, and it'll make your family really happy. So I want to take this time to wish you all a Merry, Merry Christmas. Remember to go ahead and subscribe, leave me comments, let me know if you're liking this stuff. And as always, I share the love of cooking with my family, and now I share it with you. Merry Christmas. See you next year.